Hey everybody, Air, influencer at Inti Syndicates. At Inti Syndicates, our mission is to avail e-commerce, digital marketing, and social media marketing solutions to clever and rising influencers like yourself. In today's video, we're going to get into why would someone want to grow their Instagram following? What's the purpose to it? What's the rationale behind it? Why would someone want to grow their Instagram following now? But before we get into that, let's talk a little bit about Instagram in and of itself. If you're watching this video, you are probably familiar with Instagram, a social media application that has taken the world by storm. 1 billion users use Instagram every month, and these are active users. In other words, to give some context, there's 7 billion people in the world. So 1 in 7 people in the world use Instagram every month. Just take a second to let that sink in right now. 500 million people use Instagram every day. In other words, we cut that number in half. 1 in 14 people in the whole world use Instagram every single day. And this number's only growing. That is the insane part. Instagram has really taken the world by storm. It's not only a social media application where people will like, comment, follow their favorite influencers, their favorite friends, etc. But it's also a search engine where people will search new ideas, new products, new services, art, science, etc. People are just flocking and almost using it like Google to learn about what's going on in the world. So why would someone want to grow their Instagram following? Well, there's 3 reasons, and we'll talk about these very briefly. The first reason is for status. Instagram influencers are the new celebrities. Ever since 2015, we've been seeing some of the world's largest influencers become celebrities, and some of these people are now starring in movies, now making new brands, whether they be clothing brands, what have you, any type of brands, businesses, etc. But their starts came from Instagram in and of itself, their followings, and consequently more people got to know of them, and bam, they exploded. So Instagram influencers are the new celebrities. The second reason is for attention. You guys might be thinking, well, attention, come on. Anyone can get attention, right? Why do we need to be all fake about this? Why do we need to be so into attention? Not attention in the sense of, oh, look at me, but attention in the sense of, look at me because I'm spreading these ideas. I'm spreading these business ideas or these products and services. Influencers have a very unique role in the marketplace to share ideas worth spreading. These ideas could be philosophical or business ideas. These ideas could be new music or art to check out. These ideas could be really anything. But influencers serve a unique purpose of spreading ideas in their particular niche. Now, for those of you who don't know, a niche is a specified area, a specific interest area. So an example of this could be there's influencers in the space of animals, there's influencers in the space of entertainment, there's influencers in the space of art, specific music genre, influencers in the space of business and motivation. Each influencer kind of has their own niche and their niche audience or audience of people who are interested in a specific area. Well, these influencers are able to spread ideas in that niche. And then lastly is to make money. Instagram influencers make quite large sums of money simply on Instagram by promoting businesses, by advertising on their news feed or their stories, by selling shout-outs on their profile. So why would someone want to grow their Instagram following? Well, 3 reasons. 1, for status, to be treated like a celebrity. 2, for attention and to be able to spread ideas worth spreading, and 3, to make money. If you guys enjoyed this video, I invite you to like, comment, subscribe to our channel, and as a special giveaway, click the link below. I've included a PDF on 5 ways to monetize your Instagram profile. Beaming Influence, Air out.